Shut up and sit down.
I am on the road again. Getting a late start. It is 10:30 in the morning. Heavy contrast to yesterday when I got up around 4 in the morning. Got out by 4:30. Today I slept in a hotel because of the storms last night. Everything on the ground is still wet, but they're not expecting anything more than a sprinkle today from what I understand. I don't know, as I get further east it might change. But I'm on the road. I'm heading to Rochester, then Syracuse. I'm not quite sure how far I'm going to make it, but I'm going to go as far as I can. I slept well. The beds were nice, the hotel was clean. It's called the Dollinger Motor Inn here in Albany, New York. Got a dog who looks interested in me. But he looks more afraid of me than anything else, so that's good. Stay. That worked. This loose gravel on sand, after it's been wet, it's like mud. It adds a little bit of drag. You see the people that came before me are leaving indentions. And I'm heavier, so I'm leaving bigger indentions. But it does make it a little harder to push. But I'm getting there. Slow and steady wins the race, right? Take that, fall. Very post-apocalyptic. A lot of these little private docks on the canal. They all say private property, no trespassing. It's interesting. I didn't know that people can own property on federal land. It's cool. Probably pretty expensive. That was some dense mud. Looks like they're doing some canal construction. It's kind of interesting. Coming up on the town where I'm going to stop and have breakfast, try to get some sunscreen and some more water.
The streets of Salem were a terrifying sight. The witches dancing with the demons in the night. Their evil minions watch the town while it's in bed. Wish 'em dead, wish 'em dead, wish 'em dead. Reverend Paris knew that something was amiss. He felt the evil from a spiritual abyss. He knew the time had come to purify the town. Hunt 'em down, hunt 'em down, hunt 'em down. Time was wasted in assembling a squad. This pitchfork army on a mission sent from God. No witch was saved from Reverend Paris's brigade. Their crusade, their crusade, their crusade. Call the magistrate and don't you wait another minute, 'cause this town is going to hell if we don't put away the sinning. And we got no time to let a jury have their turn. Let 'em burn, let 'em burn, let 'em burn. The damned were crammed into a carriage on the square. Their faces battered and their bodies all were bare. The Reverend led them to an isolated hill. Time to kill, time to kill, time to kill. One by one their necks were snapped beneath the cedar tree. The spirits vanished and the demons all were free. They dug a hole to hold the devilish remains. They were slain, they were slain, they were slain. The town was safe from all.
The Erie Canal Trail has a free book library. Interesting. Let's see what's in it. A lot of romance things. J.D. Robb. I think my mom likes that person. Nothing that really interests me. I'm an avid reader, but I don't read this type of novel. What is that top one? I like the classics. Let's see, Remains of the Day. Running into these things, at least this one is closed at the detour. I mean, it is a pretty good detour here, but from looking on the map, I'm assuming it's going to be a couple of miles. But it is a shame. I mean, I really wish they would just keep the trail open. There really is no reason for this. If they have a problem with it, they can fix it. It doesn't take that long to fix. Leaves. I like leaves. Leaves are fun.
One by one their necks were snapped beneath the cedar tree. The spirits vanished and the demons all were free. They dug a hole to hold the devilish remains. They were slain, they were slain, they were slain. The town was safe from all those wicked dissidents. They could continue with their life of innocence, dispensing justice from a higher power.
When you're on the canal, you need to watch out for things like this. There's no way around it. At least no easy way around it. That's bumpier. That would be bumpier going through that ditch. There's another one right up there. So, you know, if you got any speed going and you don't see these, you're in trouble.
They built a church atop the spirits and the bones. Their moans were heard as they were laying down the stones. But the witches got revenge beneath that steeple bell. They cast a spell, sent the reverend to hell.
I am well above the canal. Look how much they had to carve into that stone, that bedrock, to make this canal, to keep it going downhill, to keep it flowing. That's pretty awesome, considering it was all done with hand tools. One thing I know for sure, if the road's in bad condition and you can't enjoy the downhill, you start resenting the uphills. This road's not in the best condition. Luckily, that portion of it, that downhill, was actually pretty smooth. But in the past, I showed you the roots coming through. A lot of those around here. It is a dark and spooky trail, man. I'm on this trail for another couple of miles, heading to where I'm going to stay for the night. I'm over 50 miles for the day. I think that's pretty good. My knees are killing me. My back is killing me. My feet is killing me. My wife is killing me. Everything killing me. You see nothing. I see a little bit of something, but I'm pretty sure you see nothing. This light is pretty bright. I still think you probably see nothing.
I've got an old mule and her name is Sal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. She's a good old worker and a good old pal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. We've hauled some barges in our day, filled with lumber, coal, and hay. And every inch of the way I know, from Albany to Buffalo. Low bridge, everybody down. Low bridge, we must be getting near a town. You can always tell your neighbor, you can always tell your pal, if he's ever navigated on the Erie Canal. We'd better look around for a job, old gal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. You bet your life I wouldn't part with Sal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. Get up there, gal, we've passed that lock. We'll make room for 6 o'clock. So one more trip and then we'll go right straight back to Buffalo. Low Bridge, everybody down. Low Bridge, you got the finest mule in town. Once a man named Mike McGinty tried to put it over Sal. Now he's way down at the bottom of the Erie Canal. Oh, where would I be if I lost my pal? 15 years on the Erie Canal.